In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to change Google Assistant to Gemini in Android. Let's start this tutorial by downloading first the Gemini on your device. Open the Play Store and search for the Gemini app and install it to your device. After installing the app, then go back to your home screen and then open the Google app. Next, tap on your profile icon on the upper right corner and then in the pop-up menu, select Settings. In the Settings page, you'll see here the Gemini option. Simply tap it. Now, you need to click the switch button below to switch Gemini from Google Assistant. Next, review key info to access Gemini, and after that, tap the Use Gemini button below to complete the process. After doing all of that, the Gemini will be used on your device instead of the Google Assistant. That's about it.